Hello viewers, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be doing a crochet hairstyle. But before we begin with this video, I want to appreciate all my return subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. For those of you that have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and join this beautiful family. Okay, let's begin with this video and let's do this together. Firstly, I want to make a cornrow all through the hair, and she did not request for style. She just wants everything to be all back, so I'm just trying to do it all back cornrow. And this process, I decided on my own to part the hair a bit behind her ear so that I'll make the front look a little bit smaller and the back a little bit bigger, so that the front will be a bit fuller if the cornrow is being done, if the crochet is being done, sorry. So that's what I'm doing here, and let's also begin. I'll be explaining step by step. Okay. Okay, now I'm done with the cornrow. I'm just trying to secure the hair with a needle and thread so that it will not lose on time while I'm attaching the crochet to the hair. This is the crochet twisting I'll be using on my client today. It is color 27, 18 inches. Yes. And I made the order from Amazon, or you can also make your order at AliExpress. You can also find the same texture and the same product at AliExpress. So let's get into it. this is the installation process of the crochet hair. As you can see, I'm attaching installing it to the cornrow that I have made. I want to start it by line. If you are that type that you have a client like mine, because she said that she don't want something too full, so you can, if you have that kind of client, you can start installing it at the front. Yes, you can start installing it at the front, so that when you get to the back, as an hairstylist, you know how to manage it. Even if you are not an hairstylist, you can also manage it if you have that kind of person that don't want it to be fuller. Although she plans to use 8 packets, but because she don't want it to be full, so I decided to just use manage it for her, and we end up using 6 packets. Okay,